Kelly. So today I'm doing this intergalactic space makeup tutorial. And up close I look crazy. So guys, video, big thumbs up if you like it. I'm talking weird because I have lipstick on and lip gloss and it's hard to talk normally without getting lipstick on your teeth. And yeah, let's go with the video. So first up, I'm going to the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, which I just got a new one. And it's... Ready? It's like a jar of Nutella when you first take the first like dip in. So moving on to eyeshadow, I just primed my eyelids, that's why I look a little crazy right now. Then moving on to eyeshadow, I'm taking the Shane Cosmetics Runway palette. And I'm taking this hot pink shade and I'm just sweeping it through my crease. And now I'm carving out my lid, literally the entire shape of my lid with concealer. Going to my Kylie Cosmetics purple palette, I'm taking the shade Lilac, which is my favorite shade in the palette. Let me find my brush. And I'm just going to dip in and put it on my outer V. Now I'm taking the Shane Cosmetics palette again, I'm taking this blue and putting a very tiny amount next to the purple. Going to my Milani Single Shadow in Bella White. I'm going to be placing that on the inner part, half of my lid where we didn't put any shadow. I decided I want to add some pink back in there. So I'm taking this pink shade from the Shane Cosmetics palette and popping it right on the inner corner. Now I'm taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner. Yes, the full size, because I quit being cheap and bought the full size. I'm just going to be doing some wing, gotta blend, some wing liner. So for foundation today, I'm taking the Smashbox Camera Ready CC Cream. And just going to be stippling it on my face with a brush. Even though it's not a stipple brush, still. I love the scent. It like doesn't have a really strong scent, but it does have like a, not like a smell, but a scent to it. And it smells so good. Now that I have put my concealer on and put down some powder, it's time to get started on the tears. So really, what I should have done is not put powder down to get a sticky base, but I didn't. I put it down anyway, so taking this little pink pigment. Where's my brush? And I'm just going to... Blue pigment, it's like an icy blue. I like this color. Now time for a shimmery purple in this Physicians Formulas palette. Now to give it some dimension, I am going to find my highlighter first. I'm going to this NYX Duochromatic Highlighter. I was debating whether or not to do a regular contour or colored contour. In the end of the day, I decided to do a regular contour. I'm spraying my brush, and I want to do a purple highlighter, so I'm taking the Kat Von D Metal Crushed Highlighter palette, and okay, girl. I never really understood why wetting your brush, why like beauty gurus wet their brush, but oh my gosh, it makes the biggest difference. I'm going to press it on my forehead, even though you're not really supposed to put highlight on your forehead. But give me that intergalactic glow. For lips, I'm taking this Bite Beauty lip crayon and the Too Faced Melted Latex in Unicorn Tears. To finish this look off, I'm setting with the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more. And I will see you next time. Bye!